So, I mean, I would ask the question back to say, does everybody on this call learn in the same way? And are they at the same place in their journey of learning? And it's a very obvious answer that no, we don't learn in the same way, and we're at different places in our journey. And so the idea of differentiation, I think, is the only way to move forward, because we have to move from thinking that as a teacher, I teach a class, to as a teacher, I teach children in a class. And each and every child is different and has a unique need, no matter where they are. There's a distinction between differentiation in its form that makes sense and labeling kids and arranging them level-wise and teaching them differently. My belief is not that, sometimes I hear words like these kids are lower order and these kids are higher order, these kids are brighter, these kids are struggling. I think we have to remove those labels. But I think what we need to do is move towards classrooms where we recognize that student A is strong in math and needs to be pushed to the next level, and student B has really strong confidence, and student C is good at art, and student D is struggling in reading. We have to understand our kids at that level of their learning needs and work with them and have them work with each other to move to the next level. And that, to me, is what differentiation, or, at Teach for India, we're starting to call it partnership. What does partnership with our students look like? It looks like this beautiful classroom where if a child is a little bit ahead in their math concepts, they are sitting with kids that are 3 steps behind in math. And if a child is very shy, then a child who's confident is encouraging that child to speak up. And if a child is far behind, then another child is giving up their lunchtime to sit with that child. That's the way I see differentiation. And accordingly, how a teacher plans looks fundamentally different than the traditional norm, where we don't plan for a full class, but we really understand our students' needs, and we do more group work, we do more individual work, we use technology in smart ways to try to make sure that are we meeting each child at the place where they are and pushing them.